NASA just flew by an asteroid that looks like a bowling pin? Yeah, I'm not making that up. This is Donaldjohanson, a real-life lumpy space rock, and Lucy, NASA's asteroid-chasing spacecraft, just paid it a visit on its journey toward Jupiter's mysterious Trojan asteroids. Let's break down why this is so cool. So, what's the deal with the Lucy mission? Launched back in 2021, Lucy is on a 12-year trek across the solar system. Its main mission? To study 8 different asteroids, including the Trojans. These ancient, untouched objects trapped in Jupiter's orbit. Think of them as time capsules left over from when our solar system was just getting started. But before Lucy gets to the Trojans, it made a quick pit stop to check out one very odd asteroid. And that's where things get interesting. Meet asteroid Donaldjohanson. It's named after the legendary anthropologist who discovered the original Lucy fossil. So the mission has a nice little nod to history. This rock orbits in the main asteroid belt, and Lucy's recent flyby gave us the best images yet. What did we see? An elongated, bumpy object that, honestly, looks ready for a round at the cosmic bowling alley. But it's more than just a weird shape. Scientists believe Donaldjohanson is a fragment from a much bigger asteroid, likely shattered by a massive collision billions of years ago. So it's a literal piece of solar system history. Why does this matter? Well, this flyby wasn't just for fun. It was a crucial test for Lucy's navigation, cameras, and tracking systems. If you're heading out to Jupiter's Trojans, you want to make sure everything works, right? These Trojans are some of the oldest, most untouched objects out there. Studying them could reveal secrets about how the planets, even Earth, came together. In other words, Lucy's stop at the bowling pin asteroid was like a dress rehearsal for a detective story billions of years in the making. Now, I want to know what you think. Is NASA's bowling pin asteroid just a cosmic oddball? Or could it be an ancient clue to our solar system's past? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this little trip through space, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a Lucy update or our next deep space mystery. Stay curious and keep your eyes on the stars.